Okay, here it is on the shelf, the 1965 Chevelle Wagon. Here's this angle, and then you got the engine. Now I need y'all guys to do me a favor. I need y'all guys to please go to my channel and watch the actual build. I don't have all that many views. I have all kinds of views on my shorts, so please watch them. And then right here's where I put the ramps at. And then right here is where I put the willies at. Yeah, right there's a transformer I got. So, please subscribe for more videos, and the surfboards will be in another video. So please subscribe.